Hello and welcome to this Patch Cable Manager video announcing the release of version 0.2.0. Today I'm going to be going over a few new features: template scrolling, template cloning, and enclosure tolerance. Be sure to watch this video all the way to the end because I have a very important note about the upgrade procedure. First, I'll review template scrolling. Something I've found very irritating when working on a small screen device is having to continuously scroll up to see the changes made to the template. This is resolved with the lock checkbox at the top of the template preview, which controls the scrolling behavior of the template preview box. The default scrolling behavior can be configured under User Settings. Next, I'll show you the template cloning feature. Let's say you have a template and you need a similar template, but with a different port configuration. You can now clone a template by selecting one from the available template box and clicking the Clone button. The template is cloned to the template preview where you can make your changes. Last, we'll take a look at enclosure tolerance. An enclosure is a partition type used to represent equipment features like a switch module slot or a fiber enclosure which accepts modular cassettes. When creating an insert template, you must select an enclosure to model it in. The enclosure selected determines the dimensions of the insert template. What the enclosure tolerance setting does is determine if an insert being dropped into an enclosure must conform to the dimensions and layout of that enclosure. A loose tolerance will allow any and all inserts to be dropped into an enclosure slot, whereas a strict tolerance will only allow inserts created from an enclosure matching the dimensions and layout. Setting an enclosure tolerance to strict can help ensure only the correct inserts are installed. One final thing to note before upgrading is that any template or floor plan images will be lost during the upgrade. This is an unfortunate side effect of the upgrade process, which will be resolved in the next release. For now, the suggested solution is to create an export before you upgrade and then re-import the data once you're running the new version. I hope you find the new features helpful. I'd like to hear your thoughts on PCM, so leave a comment below or send me an email. Thanks.